This video guides you through creating an implementation agency profile. For implementation agency profile creation, you need to log in with admin account. Click the burger icon from top left side to open the side menu. Then click on IA listing tab. Click on Create IA button to start the process of adding a new implementing agency admin. Enter mandatory organization details to specify the organization associated with the implementation agency admin. Enter details such as organization name, contact person name, email ID, mobile number, registered address. Select state from the drop-down, then enter PIN code. Click on Save and Next button to save the entered details and continue with the implementation agency profile creation. In Upload Document section, click on Select Document Type to specify the type of document that you will upload. Choose the file type as per your requirement. This section is for uploading the relevant documents for the implementation agency profile. For implementation agency profile, sanction order document is mandatory. Click on Choose File to browse and select the PDF document to upload. Click on Upload button once the file is selected. The next section is for creating the ULA project under this agency. Click on Add Project to begin entering details for a new project. Select Tender Date. Click on Subcategories field, then select any required option from the drop-down. Two options are available, EPC and Sub-Resco. For EPC subcategory, enter value in rupees per kilowatts. The value must be in between 20,000 to 1 lakh rupees. For Sub-Resco subcategory, enter value in rupees per kilowatt hours. The value must be in between 1 to 10. Click on Type of Metering Mechanism field, then select required option of mechanism type from the drop-down. Available options are Gross Meter, Net Meter, Net Billing, Virtual Net Meter. Click on Power Selling Mechanism field and select required option. Available options are Consumer, Discom, mix of both. Click on Additional Component field and select required option from the drop-down. Available options are Battery Hybrid, Solar, Wind Hybrid and Solar, Wind Jor Battery Hybrid. Enter time frame to specify the duration to transfer the ownership to consumer, in years. Maximum duration is 10 years. Click on Utility Model Type field and select required option from the drop-down. Available model types are Utility Owned, which is Model 1, other is Consumer Owned, which is Model 2. Enter Sanctioned Order Number. Select Sanctioned Order Date. Enter requested allocated capacity in kilowatts to specify the capacity allocated to the project. Enter requested allocated installations number. Enter sanctioned capacity in kilowatts to specify the capacity sanctioned to the project. Enter sanctioned installations number. Select project approval date to specify the approval of the project. Click on Leasing Mechanism field and select required option to specify the lease arrangement for the project. Available options are Roof Lease or Roof Rent, AMI or Service Charge Mechanism from Household, not available. Click on Consumer's Contribution to the project, then enter value in rupees to specify consumer's contribution. Timeline for work order assurance is 6 months. Timeline for implementation is 12 months. Both timeline start date is as same as sanction date. But, if want to change the duration, you can change the to date. In Bank Details section, select bank name from the drop-down. Enter IFSC code. Account number. Please enter the bank account number again just to reconfirm the correctness. Enter branch name. Enter account holder name. Bank details are not mandatory for this process. Click on Save and Next to save all project details, bank details and proceed to document upload. In Upload Documents section, click on Select Document Type to specify the type of document that you will upload. Choose the file type as per your requirement. Here, Tender document is mandatory. This section is for uploading the relevant documents to Add project. Click on Choose File to browse and select the PDF document to upload. Click on Upload button once the file is selected. Click on Add button to save all entered information related to project. Click on Submit button to finalize and submit the implementing agency profile creation process. An email will go to this user with his login credentials. Once the implementation agency admin has been added, it will start showing on your IA listing screen. After completing all these steps, verify that the implementation agency admin profile is successfully created with all necessary details and documents uploaded. You can now manage the implementation agency admin or proceed with related administrative tasks. Click on Action button, then click on Edit to begin modifications of implementation agency profile. Edit any required details. Then click on Submit button to save the modifications of implementation agency profile. Click on Action button, then click on Inactive to deactivate of implementation agency. You can use the same flow to reactivate the implementation agency. This concludes the training on how to create implementation agency profile under your REC account.